So, what do we hope to achieve at the end of this HTML course? At the end of this HTML course, we would have created our own profile page with strictly HTML. Now, if you follow along, you can modify this to best suit you. So you can see how lovely the page looks all the way down to the end. And we even add functionalities like moving to the About page, moving to Projects, and moving to Contacts as well. So with just strict HTML, we are able to create something that looks so beautiful. Thank you very much and see you at the end of the course.
Welcome to Azubi Africa channel. Now today's course or series, we're going to be looking at HTML. Now HTML is part of web development, and let's see where HTML plays a role in web development. All websites consist of two parts, which is the front end and back end. But for this course, we will focus on the front end, more specifically HTML. So what is the front end? The front end is what you see in your browser whenever you go to a website. The look, design, and feel of the website is what we call the front end. There are some tools employed to make the front end function the way it does or have the look the way it does. These tools are HTML, which stands for Hyper Markup Language, which gives the structure of the website. We have CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This gives the color or beautification to our website. Then we have JavaScript, which add functionality to our website. So I want to use how a front end is built by showing you an example of a building. Now the structure of the building, which is the beginning of the building, is called the HTML, right? The way a building is structured is the same concept we can use for HTML. So HTML is the building blocks of every website. It gives the structure to how our website should look. Then we have Cascading Style Sheet, which comes under CSS, and this gives the beautification to our website based on the coloring. Then we have JavaScript. JavaScript adds functionality to our website. In the analogy of the home, it's used for our electric gates. If we have elevators within our house, IoT of things, right? This gives functionality to our home. So JavaScript gives functionality to our websites. Let's dive deeper into HTML. As we have seen previously, HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language, which is the basic building blocks for websites. HTML consists of a series of elements. These elements tell the browser how to display content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as the title, paragraph, images, etc. So, how does HTML get the structure? HTML gets a structure by using tags. Now, these tags are formed by angle brackets. Now, below are some examples of tags. We have what we call opening and closing tags. Opening and closing tags help us to show what structure to use or how to display content within these tags. So a few examples of the tags we have here is the doc string or the doc type, which tells the browser what type of document or web document it is rendering. We have the body tags. The body tags normally holds the meat of the content of our website. For example, the paragraph tags, the table tags, the image tags, and so on. We also have what we call the title tags. These title tags help to display the name of our website or the description of our website in the headers, right? So let's have a general look of the coding structure of an HTML page. The first doc type tells the version of HTML the browser should use. The next HTML tag is the root element, which shows the beginning point for our HTML page. We have the headers. The headers contain metadata about our website, including the title. So what is the title? The title gives a description of what website we are looking at. Then we have the body tags. The body tags hold the meat of our website and hold majority of the content we see on each website. Within our body tags, we have header tags, we have paragraph tags, we have image tags, etc. So what we see in front of us is how a basic website is coded using HTML. What are some of the tools we're going to be employing for our course? For the first few videos of our course, we're going to be using a regular notepad to get acquainted with the elements in HTML and how this would look within the browser. When we are done with the understanding of HTML and how these elements work, we'll move on to use IDE, more specifically Visual Studio Code. Now, there will be a video provided on how to install Visual Studio Code and how to set it up for HTML. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye for now.